Hey glitter critters, it's Breland here. So in this video, I show you how to make this crunchy, satisfying rock candy slime. And can you tell which one is slime and which one is the rock candy? I know it's so hard to tell because this works so well and it's really easy to make. Another cool thing is it actually will stick to a stick. I said stick twice, but you know what I mean. So you can hand it out at like birthday parties or a slumber party. So of course, the first thing that we're going to do in starting to make this slime, I'm gonna take some of this clear Elmer's glue and I put a little bit into a bowl here. You don't have to be exact when it comes to measurements, just put about this much into a bowl. Next, I added my food coloring and I really wanted to go ahead and prepare some of my ingredients for the slime. And because I wanted it to have like a cluster of squares together as kind of what the crystals look like, that's what I was going for. So I cut up this Mr. Clean Magic Eraser and I set it aside in its own little bowl because I just wasn't ready for it yet. To add to my wet ingredients, I'm also adding a little pinch of baking soda. I feel like this helps the activator or the contact solution when I do begin to add it. It sort of makes the contact solution work a bit faster in creating the slime. So of course the next step is to add the contact solution slowly but surely, and then you'll start to feel this thickness around your spoon and it'll feel thicker and thicker until you can actually pick it up with your hands. After I got it to the perfect consistency, I added some of these acrylic crystal beads. This is what's gonna give your slime that shiny element that it needs to look just like rock candy. So from far away, it looks just like rock candy. You can't really even tell these are a bunch of little diamond-shaped acrylic beads. At this point, I was ready to jump in there with my hands and start playing with the slime and start to massage the beads into the slime. Afterwards, I added my magic eraser cubes and we're just about done. In fact, let's speed this up a bit. I decided to let this clear slime sit overnight because I wanted it to be as crystal clear as possible. And you don't have to do this, I just did it because I have a problem with perfectionism. Shh, okay, let me lower my voice. ASMR time. So you just want to take one of the sticks and push it through the slime. Do your best to shape it into the same shape as you would a stick of rock candy. Last, it's time to add glitter. I'm raising my voice because this is the last step in the video. Do you like how I turned up the volume on myself? So that's all for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned for the next video, which will be posted on Thursday. It's a brand new period hack video with an all new spin. It's a completely different theme and I cannot wait for you to see it. Let me know in the comments what you thought about this video and don't forget to subscribe to become an official glitter critter and turn on notifications. And before you go, have you seen these videos? I thank you so much for watching and have a glitterful day. I love you, bye!